This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Armada. This serene and seriously strong Armada delivers full-size SUV mightiness and an effortlessly luxurious ride. Standard driver assist safety tech and touchscreen infotainment let you enjoy every adventure with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.